Ito yung pagpapatuloy ng vlog natin nung nakaraan tungkol sa credit card. So dito pinapakita yung FICO score components. So ang component nito is payment history, amount owed, length of credit history, new credit at saka credit mix. So ang pinakamalaking percentage dito is yung payment history. So yung payment history, ibig sabihin, on time ka bang magbayad, and then second, kung magkano yung utang mo o yung binibill sa'yo ng credit card, no? At saka kung gaano ka nakatagal may credit card, yun yung pinaka-importanting part. At saka yung credit mix, no? Yun ang sa tingin ko pinaka-importante. Yung credit mix is ilan yung credit card mo. And yung pinakahuling pinaka-importante is kung meron kang bagong credit card, which is 10%. Actually, yung credit mix at saka yung credit, yung new credit halos pareho lang yan. So nakita nyo 10% lang yung percentage niya. So maganda't nalalaman natin kung paano kinocompute yung ating FICO score. Yung percentage lang, madali nang malaman. So, yun lang po.